To send money from Zelle to Wells Fargo, start by ensuring you have the Zelle app installed on your device and that you are enrolled in the service. If you are not enrolled, you can download the Zelle app or access it through your bank's mobile app, including Wells Fargo. Once you have Zelle, open the app and select the option to send money. You will need to enter the recipient's email address or mobile number that is associated with their Zelle account. If the recipient is a Wells Fargo customer, they can receive the money directly into their Wells Fargo account. Next, enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if you need to. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct, including the recipient's information and the amount. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction. The money will be sent to the recipient's Zelle account and will be deposited into their Wells Fargo account. It is essential to note that to use Zelle, you must have a U.S. bank account, and you can only send money to recipients who have a U.S. bank account. Additionally, there may be limits on the amount you can send, so be sure to check with your bank for specific details. To receive money from Zelle into your Wells Fargo account, the recipient needs to be enrolled in Zelle. If they are not enrolled, they will receive a notification with instructions on how to enroll. Once enrolled, the recipient can receive the money directly into their Wells Fargo account. In summary, sending money from Zelle to Wells Fargo is a straightforward process that requires the sender and recipient to be enrolled in Zelle and have a U.S. bank account. By following these steps, you can quickly and securely send money to anyone with a Wells Fargo account.